So there's only 2 tomatoes on the Dr. Sebi list. One is the cherry tomatoes that you see here, and the other ones are the plum tomatoes, or Roman tomatoes is another name for it. So I used that, and then I decided to use the tofu. So this tofu is easy to make. If you want to know how to make it, just click the link at the top here, and there's a video on how I made this tofu. Then I use some grapeseed oil, and then I add some onion powder and ginger powder. So ginger and onion powder together is a replacement for garlic because garlic is toxic. And then I add the oregano. So you can add any spices that are approved on the list for this lovely pasta dish. Then you bake it for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. You can even put this on broil and it'll do the same thing for less time. And look how nice those tomatoes look. So you can add other toppings in here, fresh herbs. It's all up to you. It's very versatile. That's one reason I like this recipe. Good job, Tik Tok. I decided to use some zoodles for my noodles here. You can use chickpea noodles. You can use any type of noodles that you like. That is approved. So you can make your spelt ones. Next time I think I'll do some homemade noodles. But this machine makes my noodles nicely. I love this processor. Make sure your noodles are cooked before you add them to your sauce here. And I decided to add some hummus to give it a more creamy taste. You can add hummus, tahini, any cream. You can even use the chickpea cream that I taught you how to make in the other video before, and I put that link here in the cards. So this recipe can feed 2 adults or even 3 depending on how hungry that you are. And you can use any pasta to make it more fulfilling. The zoodles won't make it, you won't get super full, but you'll get full. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. Watch more videos, subscribe, comment what is your favorite pasta dish in the description below. Okay, bye.